good day, everyone. Before we proceed from the section that we made, let me introduce to you my groupmate. I am Reggie Lumuay.
I am Joy Y. Arado.
I'm Marianne Liway Arabi.
And I am Ayan Litanon.
I am Hazel Joy Bastida.
So that those are my group members. So shall we proceed from the system that we made? This system is all about transferring data. Um, Transferring data from the admin, and from the data from the admin, we need to transfer that all the data that we made in the admin to transfer into the employee. So ang laman po nito is ang program ang laman ng program ay transferring it's all about transferring data. So from the admin transfer to employee. Now we need to get the response from the employee. That's why we have the respondents button that we made. So we need to discuss about project manager 1. So from first ang una pong magdi-discuss nito ay si Amy Joy Arado.
Ngayon, makikita natin yung login, username, at saka password.
Ang tinatawag nating username, password, saka may login button tayo. So first, type natin yung username. Tapos tagyan natin ng mali na password. Tapos pag click natin itong login, may lalabas dito na login field. Please check your credentials. So ibig sabihin yan ay mali ang password na tinype mo. Hindi ka makapapasok sa portal na to. Tapos ngayon, lagyan lang natin na yung tamang password. So admin 123, click lang natin itong login, and then may lalabas na message. So ibig sabihin yan ay makakapasok ka na sa portal na to. Click lang natin okay. So wait lang natin. Ito po yung magpaprocess ng loading po. So ito po ay ipapasok ko po tong mga discussion na to kay Amy Joy Arado.
May makikita tayo ditong project plan. Mayroon ditong admin, list area, schedule, status, resources management.
Let's click the list area. So as you can see guys, we are here at to-do list. So to create a task, let's type the task that you want to create. Type the task. And to type the task number. And then click the create. And click the OK. And if you want to change the task, if you forgot something or you namali ka sa task, then click the task and type again the task. And then task no. Then click the change. So yan, okay. Then yan, so as you can see na change na yung ginawang task kanina. And then to delete this, if you want to delete, then click the task and click the delete button. And okay. So, ayun, wala na. And then, create tayo ng bagong task para, yan. So, create natin yung recipient. Type natin yung recipient. And then, task new 23546. And then, click the create again to create the task. And click the OK. And then, click the task and click the add button to transfer the data into schedule. And then click the OK button. So, here, na-transfer na yung data sa schedule and person assigned. And this will be discussed of Reggie Lumuay by Reggie Lumuay.
Okay, so as we can see, we are here in the schedule and person who assigned. So in this frame, it was assigning a person who to choose and who accept the tasks that assigned. So at in this frame we makita natin may search bar, tapos marami tayong button sa gilid. Mayroon tayong create name, create task, add date, edit date, delete task, delete name, and send email. So all of the button that we can see now is we need to check if those buttons are functionable. So at this time, the task is already here, and we need to select the person who assigned at this of this task. So now let's try the search bar. So let's try to search Emijoy Arado. Emijoy Arado is the example of this person who given the task. So click and so yan na. So click natin yung Emijoy Arado, task create name. Ayan po, magkikita po natin sa baba ng frame ay meron tayong name which is Emijoy Arado is one of example. Click naman natin yung task na i-assign sa kanya. So ayan po, click na po natin yung task. So now let's proceed to create task. So ayan po, is na-add na po siya sa table. And at this time, we need to add due date of task. So click the due date and then select the date of the due date of the task now, and add the date. So as we can see, there's Emijoy Arado, and his task is recipient, and then the task has a number and the due date of the task. So now let's try the function of the delete button of the task. So now select natin yung task which is kung kailangan natin i-delete kung may mali ka. So ayan po, click natin, then try to delete successfully yung task. So now let's try the delete name. So ayan po, now try to delete that one. So ayan, deleted successfully. So all the buttons is functionable. And now let's proceed to our next. So let's go to the email. So Imijoy Yagma Arado is the person, example of an employee. So ayan po, Imijoy Arado, and the subject is work. And now all are settled na already. So proceed po tayo sa send email. So makita po natin sa frame, which is makita natin may send successfully. The data is already transferred to admin into the employee. So now click the OK, and then proceed po tayo. Then click natin yung back. Then so back again. So at this time, nandito po tayo sa admin account, which is makikita natin na may log out button. So at this time, we need to log out this account and proceed to the employee account. So now, from now, let's click the log out button para ma-log out po yung admin account. Now, log out successfully. So at this time, the employee, yung account po ng employee ang kailangan pong ilalog in dito. So and in this topic, so it was the next discusser is Hazel Joy Bastida. So we may proceed.
So, hello everyone. So, this is the account of the employee. So, we have username, password to log in. So, username natin is employee. Type lang natin dito. Then, our password is 123 para ma-log in natin yung employee na account. So, login lang natin. So, login successfully. So, click lang natin yung OK. So, okay. So, this is the account of the employee of Imijoy Yagma Arado. So, ito yung account niya na, ito yung admin na makikita mo yung sa senand ni Reggie Lumuay na task. So, dito natin makikita sa admin na to. So, click lang natin tong admin na to. So, ito po yung admin. So, click natin. So, dito natin makikita yung na-receive na email ni Imijoy, yung may task number at saka due date niya. So, ang magtatapos ng pagdidiscuss ito ay si Ayan Litanon.
So hi everyone, and my name is Ayan Litanon, and I am discusser of this topic. And then this receive frame, and then here's name as Imijoy Yagma Arado, and then this task number, task, ito po yung pangalan ng employee na inassign ni Reggie Lumuay kanina, kung saan napunta dito sa inbox po ng employee. So dito natin makikita yung recipient, task number, saka pangalan ng empleyado. So dito may due date na nakalagay kung saan nagsisilbing deadline ng iyong trabaho, kung saan ay dapat makumpleto mo ang trabaho, dapat makuha mo ng sakto bago makaproceed ka sa due date na to. So meron ditong subject work. So ibig sabihin yan ay itong mensahe na to ay isang trabaho. So, meron ditong tatlong button sa ibaba na merong nakalagay na ongoing, tsaka done, tsaka back. So, itong ongoing na to ay isang sistema na kapag kinlik mo to, makakapunta ka sa kabilang frame kung saan naglalagay ng status. Itong task na to ay matatransfer sa kabilang frame na kung saan ay tinatawag nating galing sa employee to admin. So itong mensahe na to pag na-click ko na to makakapunta na tayo doon. So click lang natin to, and then meron ditong nalabas na mensahe kung saan naka-respond ka na, kung saan natanggap na ng admin ang iyong mensahe na ay natanggap mo na ang kanyang mensahe galing sa admin. So pag click mo to, and then makikita mo dito yung completed task, ongoing task. So dito tayo mag-focus sa ongoing task. So may nakalagay dito na Emilio Yagma Arado, recipient, tsaka task number, at tsaka yung due date kanina, at tsaka ito yung ongoing task kung saan ang isang trabaho ay magsisimula pa lang. So ito yung ongoing task, tsaka back lang natin kasi meron ditong home tsaka back na button. Ang home ay isang makabilang frame kung saan automatic tayo makakapunta sa admin na frame. So itong back ay isang sa employee po ito, kung saan babalik ka sa receive message. So click lang natin tong back, and then yun, kabalik tayo dito. Meron ditong done. So itong done ay isang tapos na trabaho. Yun bang isang history na lang kung saan tapos na ang mga kontrata mo. So click lang natin yun. Andito yung mga tapos na trabaho. Ito yung task na tinatawag natin na recruiter, designer, saka checker. Yun. Ito ay isang input na kasi tapos na to. So yun, may date na dito. Katulad rin ito. Pag ito ay natapos na, dyan rin yan papasok. So ito yung completed task, and then back lang natin. So yun yung done button na click natin, and then may back button dito saan babalik tayo dito sa frame na to. Ang frame na to ay isang galing kay employee, kung ito yung newsfeed na tinatawag natin. So katulad rin nito, yun, magkapareho lang yan sila kasi ang ating nag-focus lang tayo sa isang employee, kung saan ito yung isang website na example. Halimbawa katulad ni Emilio Yagma Arado, ito yung newsfeed niya kung saan merong dalawang button na galing kay admin. Ito yung mga mensahe. Ang load niya ay receive, na tawag nating inbox. At dito sa itaas ay may logout button na nakalagay kung saan babalik tayo o mag-out po dito yung account galing kay employee. So click natin to.
sa screen na blackout. So, yun. Click lang natin okay. And then, yun. Okay na. So,
So that's all, sir. That's all, classmates.